Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Descenders on PC with a PS5 controller. First, connect your PS5 controller to your PC. You can use a USB-C cable for a direct connection or pair it wirelessly via Bluetooth. Make sure your PC's Bluetooth is turned on and ready to find new devices. This initial step is crucial for getting started smoothly. Next, launch Steam and enter Big Picture mode. This special interface is designed to make gaming with a controller much easier and more intuitive. It helps Steam properly detect and configure your PS5 controller, ensuring all inputs are recognized correctly. This step is key for a seamless gaming experience with Descenders on your PC. Once in Big Picture mode, go to the controller settings. Here, you'll want to enable PlayStation configuration support. This ensures Steam fully recognizes your PS5 controller and its unique features. You can also customize button layouts or adjust sensitivity to your liking, giving you precise control in Descenders. Take a moment to fine-tune these settings. Finally, launch Descenders directly from within Steam's Big Picture mode. Your PS5 controller should now be fully recognized and ready to use in the game. You'll experience precise control and an immersive gameplay feel, making your descents even more thrilling. Get ready to hit the trails and enjoy Descenders with your preferred controller.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.